Hey everybody, it's Brent in Central Arkansas. Today I'm going to make a microgreen salad with Japanese steakhouse ginger and carrot dressing. This is the salad components. We've got the microgreens, you saw me harvest those. This is my Sweet Success cucumber, my Oregon Sugar Pod 2 snow peas, and store-bought tomatoes because my tomatoes have not started turning yet. And I like tomato in it, so we're going to use the store-bought. Anyway, I need to further prep this some more, and I'll do that and I'll bring you back. Peeled the cucumber. I cut them in sections the length of the chopper here, and then cut them in half because I want small cucumber pieces. I'll do a couple of these in front of you really quick. Just make little bitty squares. And I'll finish that up and I'll bring you back. Quartering the tomatoes. You see what I'm doing here? I took the stems, put the leaves in here, and cutting leaves in here, and I put the stems here. What I want you to notice is, you see how firm these are? These things are crunchy, and they stay crunchy and nice for a long time. They're not wimpy at all. It's not like a lettuce. So I'm going to finish this up and I'll bring you back for the whole presentation. So there you go, that's all the ingredients ready to throw into a bowl, mix it up, throw some dressing on it. That's what we're going to do next, is the dressing. So was that a lot of work? Well, it was a little bit of work, the reason why I did it was to separate the textures, kind of give a little bit of a presentation. A lot of times food is all about presentation. In fact, a lot of people won't eat food unless it looks good. And I'm a little bit old school. We used to cut out the bad parts of food and go ahead and eat it anyway. But yeah, that's it. That's the salad part of it. I need to get started on the dressing. So I forgot my snow peas. Anyway, I thinly sliced them. I'm going to add that to the salad as well. Alright, here are the ingredients for the carrot ginger dressing. Ginger carrot dressing. I will put the specifics, I'll just cover the main ingredients. I'll put the specifics after this on how to make it. Basically you just combine all these in a blender and blend the dickens out of it. But the exact amount of each ingredient I have to toy with just a little bit to make sure I get it right for you. But I'll put it after this. So we'll go down the ingredients. You got mayonnaise. This is regular mayonnaise. I use Hellmann's. Anything will do, of course. This is minced garlic. Well, that's minced garlic. This is minced ginger. This is white vinegar. This is sesame seed oil, carrots, a little bit of celery, and sugar. Now you combine all that together and it makes a wonderful dressing. I will put the ingredients here now. There's the finished product after blending it very thoroughly. It's thick. It's thicker than the usual Japanese steakhouse dressing we get, and I like that. If I wanted it thinner, I'd just add a little bit of water. You could also substitute soy sauce instead of salt if you want to add that little bit of soy sauce taste to it. Anyway, that's it for the dressing. Alright, here's the salad all done. Let's get some of this ginger dressing and put on top of it. Sorry, I'm not going to do a taste test. It's kind of hard with salad. It can get messy. So we just spread it on there a little bit. I'll take the fork and work it in a little. It's pretty thick. If you don't want it so thick, I guess you could add a little more water. Or add some water. This doesn't have any water. So there we go. That's it for this one.